Hello, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. So in this session we will look at how to do some simple examples or graphical solution, providing graphical solution to linear inequalities in two variables. We have example, I have just started with it. 2x plus 5 greater than or equal to 6. That's a linear inequality we have. We have to find out the solution region of that graphically. For that, what I have to do, first I have to draw the straight line 2x plus y equal to 6, which I can do by taking x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, y equal to 6. If I take y equal to 0, x equal to 3. Now once I got the points 3, 0, 0, 6, I can go ahead and draw the straight line. Now where is the origin present? Origin is present in the lower half. Let us try to substitute the value of 0, 0 in the inequality whatever we need. 2x plus y, that is 0 plus 0, greater than or equal to 6, which is wrong. 0 is not greater than or equal to 6. So the solution is on the other side. So this is the half other than the half which is having origin will represent the solution 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. This total half, this half, upper half, gives you the solution for that. We'll do one more problem. Let us solve one more inequality in two variables. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Now first we have to make this as equation and graph the solution. Linear equation solution, that's nothing but straight line. So I will say y plus 8 equal to 2x, or 2x minus y is equal to 8. And what is this inequality? Can I say 2x is less than or equal to y plus 8, or 2x minus y is less than or equal to 8. Okay. Now 2x minus y equal to 8 is the solution, is the linear equation for which we have to find the straight line. Do we have to graph the straight line now? Same logic. Take x and y values. Take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, y is minus 8. So one pair is 0, minus 8. If I take y equal to 0, x equal to 4. So one point is 4, 0. Another is 0, minus 8. So one point will be this one, 4, 0. And another point will be somewhere here, 0, minus 8. Let us say this point somewhere here. Now we have to join these two and get the straight line. So let's do that. So we have drawn the straight line 2x minus y equal to 8. What is the linear inequality we have? 2x minus y less than or equal to 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. So now you can see that this straight line is dividing the Cartesian plane into two halves. One is on the left side, one is on the right side now. Now if substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, I'll have 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 8. That's nothing but 0 less than or equal to 8, which is true. Which is true. That means the plane in which 0 is present is the solution of that. That means the solution will be given by this plane. This plane will give the solution, not the other one. So that's how we can look into that. So let's look into one more example. Okay. Let's look at one more linear inequation in two variables, that is 2x minus 3y greater than or equal to 6. So first the equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 6. We have to graph it. So we'll take x, y values. Take one set x is 0, another set y is 0. If x is 0, y equal to minus 2. If y is 0, x equal to 3. So the points are 3, 0, 0, minus 2. So 0, minus 2 is here and 3, 0 is here. Now I have to join these two and form the straight line. Let's do that. So we got the straight line. that is 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Now what is the inequality we are talking about? 2x minus 3y greater than 6. Now we have origin on 1 off, so let us substitute 0 comma 0. So this becomes 0 comma 0 greater than 6. 0 is greater than 6 is false. So this is wrong. That means the solution is present on the other side. Now here you have to understand one thing, is that whenever the solution is having greater than or equal to, that means the straight line is also included. If you look at the last two examples, we have in both of them we have 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6 and also y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. So you can see that we have equal to added there. That's why the straight line is dark. Okay, whenever you only want the region but not the straight line, what we should do is we should actually dot this. How I can dot this? You can just cut it in between. So that tells us very clearly that the straight line is not part of the solution, only the region excluding the straight line. So which region is the solution now? Because 0 is greater than 6 is wrong. That means on the other side the solution should be. So the solution is present in this side. The solution is present on this half. This half is having solution and excluding the straight line. Earlier if you see, in both cases it is dark because we have less than, greater than or equal to. That means the straight line is also included. When you want only the half plane but not the straight line, or it is a strict inequality, then you have to remember that you should make the line dotted line, which indicates that the straight line is not part of the solution. So that's how you can solve some problems related to linear inequalities in two variables. In the next session, this is very simple, right? Just 3 steps. What we have to do? From the linear inequality, make linear equation, then graph the straight line. That's nothing but your linear equation. Graphing the solution, then after that substitute 0, 0 and look into which half is satisfying that linear inequality. If 0, 0 is satisfying the linear inequality, then the half plane in which origin is present is the solution. Otherwise the other side will be the solution. Like in this case, we have 0 greater than 6 as the condition, which is wrong. That means on the other side the other half is having the solution. And also we know that there is strict inequality. That means the straight line is not included. The values on the equality are not included. So you have to dot them. Whenever it is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, then the straight line will be dark. Otherwise the straight line should be dotted. So in the next session what we will see is, suppose there are 3 or 4 linear inequalities in two variables. Now how to find out the graphic solution? Very simple. What we do there is, how we have drawn, similarly we will draw them. We will see what is the area which is common to all these, which is the solution, nothing but the region which is common to all these solutions. Nothing but that particular region is the solution region of the system of linear inequalities in two variables. So see you in the next session. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.